Hello, third graders. It is time for us to test out our experimental question. Does the steepness of an inclined plane affect the amount of force necessary to do work? And in order to test that out, I have some materials set up right here. You will see right here I have a ramp set up for us, and it is of just a little bit of steepness. It's made out of a box and a garbage can, so you can do this at home if you have the supplies. Then I have this tiny little box. I know it's not the size of a real box we would be moving up the inclined plane, but we can test it with smaller materials and know that the same results will reign true when we make them bigger. This box is filled with keys and a very heavy rock, so it's going to simulate my box of heavy, heavy books. Then I have this rubber band tied to the side of the box, you'll see. So when we set the box onto our ramp and I pull the rubber band, this is how we're going to measure how much force we used. So I'm going to take a pipe cleaner, line it up with the rubber band, and bend it right where the rubber band stretches in order to move. So we will know that this bottom part was how much I had to stretch the rubber band before the box started moving. Then I will change our ramps into this one, which will create a much steeper ramp. And I'm going to do the same experiment, pulling this up here and measuring how far I have to stretch that rubber band before it starts moving. Then we will compare the lengths of both of the pipe cleaners, comparing the different steepnesses of the ramps, and you will get to decide if indeed the steepness of the ramp does or does not affect the amount of force necessary to do work. Ultimately, we'll be able to decide which sort of inclined plane I should use to move boxes into my car, or if it doesn't matter at all.